to Cooking for Your Kidneys Quick Tips video series. In this section, we're going to discuss different things you can do in the kitchen on a daily basis that can help increase the overall flavor of the food that we eat. We know as kidney patients, it is difficult to get more flavor out of our food because of all the restrictions that we have to utilize in order to stay healthy. So what we're going to do in this little series is take on some issues like picking the right ingredients for the most flavor. Even using some tools that will help you enhance different ingredients. There's a little food science in there and certainly some food techniques that really do help when we're cooking to enhance flavor. So I hope you enjoyed the series. Start with understanding flavor. Flavor is not just taste. It encompasses all of our senses and a few of those other aspects like texture, etc. In the restaurant industry, we know this. You can't just bring a plate of food that might taste good but looks unappealing. After all of our dishes are going to be posted on Instagram, and you have to make it look good. So what do? We use things like colors and presentation, all to make it look appealing. Smell is certainly another one. You don't want it to have some kind of off odor, but it's something that we notice as well. Even sound is going to have an issue. Who doesn't remember having fajitas being delivered to the table and listening to that sizzle and then the experience of that hot food coming over? These are all parts of food that help enhance the overall flavor, not just taste. Texture is another important factor to the overall flavor. Who doesn't know someone who will tell you that they don't eat tomatoes because it's a texture thing, or mayonnaise, or something to that effect. They know there's something they don't like about it, and it involves that feel. How about a sandwich? I like a good crusty breaded sandwich, so I'm getting that crunch from the outside of the bread, and then maybe the softness of the protein that's in there, and the crisp, cool aspect of lettuce. And I even like tomatoes, so I like that mushiness of a tomato. Even combine the two. Who hasn't put potato chips, even though we're not supposed to eat those, so we'll say corn chips inside a sandwich? One of the reasons we enjoy that is not just the salt, but it's that crisp crunch if you're not using a crusty bread. All factors we use in the restaurant industry to help enhance the overall flavor. And I think there's a lot of these things that you can do at home if you just put your mind to it a little bit. Adding some of those little textures and, say, a little color into your dish that might make it more appealing overall, even when you have some other restriction. Now, that's the kind of stuff we're talking about. How do you increase overall flavor and what flavor is? Now, the rest of the video series, that what we're going to do is we're going to introduce different ideas and tools, etc., like I've mentioned, ingredients as well, and some cooking techniques, all to help enhance your food at home. Thanks for watching. You can find these and full-length video clips of our recipes at cookingforyourkidneys.com.